Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by investing in fine art. But don't forget that this is not an investment advice. The responsibility of the investments made based on the information here and belongs to the person. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for a new way to invest your money? If you're tired of the stock market or low interest rates on savings accounts, you may be considering investing in fine art. But can you really make money by investing in paintings and sculptures? It's true that fine art can be a good investment. Unlike stocks or bonds, the value of fine art doesn't fluctuate with the economy. And if you choose wisely, your investments can appreciate in value over time. Fine art has been used as a form of investment for centuries. It is seen as a safe and tangible asset that can be passed down through generations. Fine art can appreciate in value over time, making it a sound investment for the future. The benefits of investing in fine art include not being susceptible to market volatility and being able to diversify your investment portfolio. The fine art market can be divided into two broad categories: primary and secondary markets. The primary market is where artists or their galleries sell artworks directly to buyers. The secondary market is where artworks are resold by galleries, dealers, auction houses, or private collectors. It is important to be aware of the difference between these two markets. Before investing in any asset, it is important to do your research and understand the market you are entering. Identify your goals as an investor and research specific artists or artworks that fit your criteria. It is also important to keep up with trends in the wider art world so that you can make informed decisions about what to buy and when to sell. When it comes to investing in fine art, quality should be your top priority. Invest in quality art that speaks to you personally. Investing in fine art, diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Buy a variety of works by different artists and in different mediums. Investing in fine art can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and make money over time. But as with any investment, there are risks involved. It is important to do your research, invest in quality and diversify your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.